Let's hear it again for the greatest people on planet Earth. Thank you, veterans, for your service. We also want to thank the vintage aircraft pilots at the show this weekend for that incredible flyover. All right, Lakeland. Time to kick off the Hot Rod Show.
Welcome to the Winter Florida Auto Fest, powered by Carlisle Events. The greatest music of all time.
Hey, Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88. Roads? Well, we're going, we don't need roads. Ignition sequence start.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Terry Mason.
Music.
Terry Mason's Hot Rod Show.
You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. You broke my will, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Come on, baby, drive crazy. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
An incredible trip down memory lane.
My fellow Americans, I am about to sign into law.
What's your name? I am the great. You talk too much. You love me tender.
You don't have Nixon to kick around anymore.
Gonna find her.
Terry Mason's Hot Rod, Terry Mason's Hot Rod Show.
That's the Diamonds from 1957 and Little Darlin' on the Hot Rod Show. The Winter Florida Auto Fest. We have over 400 classic cars, over 1,000 swap meet vendors. The classic car auction starts up in just a few minutes. Plus, we got Tom Wopat, Luke Duke from the Dukes of Hazzard, over in the Celebrity Center signing autographs with General Lee. We'll have him here to talk with us on the Hot Rod Show a little bit later.
We're going hopping today, where things are popping. A Philadelphia way, we're gonna drop it on all the music they play on the bandstand.
He was America's oldest teenager and an American icon, Dick Clark. That was Barry Manilow and the theme from American Bandstand on the Hot Rod Show.
In the valley of the jolly, ho, 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 green giant. Valley of the jolly, ho, 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 green giant.
See the USA in your Chevrolet. America is asking you to call and see it in your Chevrolet.
Hi, this is Christy Lee from All Girls Garage and Barrett Jackson on Velocity, and you're listening to Terry Mason's Hot Rod Show.
The greatest music of all time. Terry Mason's Hot Rod Show.
If it's the best music you've ever heard at a car show,
Best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
you know it's got to be Terry Mason's Hot Rod Show.
Let's just get right to it. Y'all ready to boogie woogie down Route 66?
Get your Mega 50/50 tickets on sale here now, next to the Hot Rod Show trailer. Tickets are $5, or you can get 5 tickets for $20. The pot's gonna be huge. Plus, you have a chance for some fabulous door prizes on your Mega 50/50 ticket. Get your ticket now. come to the Mega 50/50 booth set up here right next to the Hot Rod Show trailer. That's in Area C on your AutoFest map.
Well, if you ever plan to motor west, you'll be feeling real fine on Route 66.
February 9th, 1964.
Now, yesterday and today, our theater's been jammed with newspapermen and hundreds of dogs from all over the nation, and these veterans agree with me that the city never has witnessed the excitement stirred by these youngsters from Liverpool who call themselves the Beatles. Now, tonight, you're going to twice be entertained by them. Right now, and again in the second half of our show. Ladies and gentlemen, the Beatles!
Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. All my loving I will send to you.
Hot Rod Show Trivia Time.
All right, the movie Bullet featured the most famous car chase scene of all time. What two cars were in that famous chase scene? I need the year, make, and model of those two cars. If you think you know the answer, be the first one to tell me here at the Hot Rod Show trailer. Here's a guy by the name of Joe Elmore and his song Cruisin' on the Hot Rod Show.
Best thing going on in my hometown is Saturday night when the cars come around for the cruising. Every weekend, it's a high compression car obsession party when we let it all rip. Hot Rod Saturday night.
Hope you're having a good time here at the Winter Florida Auto Fest. Here's one guy that's having a good time. Congratulations to Bobby Hamilton out of Dallas, Texas. He was the first person to correctly answer our trivia question. What were the two iconic cars used in the famous chase scene in the movie Bullet? The correct answer is a 1967 Ford Mustang and a 1969 Dodge Charger. Bobby won himself a floor jack from AutoZone. More great trivia questions and door prizes coming up here all weekend at the Florida Winter Auto Fest.
Oh, do you remember the first time you started the day and the places you had to go just to be alone with your number one? Well, I hope this song brings back a whole lot of beautiful memories for you.
Did you boogie with your baby in the back row of the movie show? Did you boogie with your baby in the back row of the movie show?
Hi, this is Dennis Gage of My Classic Car TV show, and you're listening to Terry Mason's Hot Rod Show. Dig it.
An incredible trip down memory lane. Terry Mason's Hot Rod Show.